always a rainbow within reach. On Animal Island, on Animal Island, yeah, on Animal Island, on Animal Island, come on.
Hello.
Hello, hello, it's time to say hello. Hello, hello, let's stop to say hello. It's a way to say we're glad you're here. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Hedgehog. Hello, Fox. Hello, Pig.
Hello, Monkey.
When friends are near, we smile and say hello. When friends are far, we wave and say hello. It's a friendly word that shows we care. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Mr. Frog. Hello.
Hello, Mr. Goose.
Hello. Hello, friend.
Hello.
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 Hi, nice to see you. Hello.
Let's sing the alphabet song. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Now this time, let's sing together.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
That was lovely. Hello, friend. It's so good to see you again. There are so many things to do today. Where should we begin?
Oh, Mr. Goose, we should start with a letter of the day.
That's a great idea, Fox. Let's check the letter board. Today's letter is Q. Q makes the sound qu in quiet. Fox, repeat after me. Qu, qu, quiet.
Quiet.
Now you try.
Quiet.
Well done!
Shh, Mr. Goose, we're being quiet.
Oh, sorry, Fox. Here are more things that begin with Q.
Quarter. Quarter. Queen. Queen. Quilt. Quilt. Quiet. Quiet.
Shh.
Quail. Quail.
What letter do all these words start with?
Q.
That's right, the letter Q. Yes.
Mr. Goose, can we trace a letter?
Absolutely. Let's practice making the letter
Q. Who can think of a fun way to do it?
I know! Let's trace letters with a glue stick.
Well, that sounds like a great idea. Fox, why don't you go first?
Okay. Q. Ah.
Great!
I'll try it. Q.
Terrific tracing! Now, let's trace the lowercase letter.
I'll trace the next one. Q.
Nice job!
I want to try. Q. Ooh.
You did it! Let's look at the letters we made. What's this letter?
Q.
Exactly. Uppercase Q. And what's this letter?
Q.
That's right. Lowercase q. Nice job.
Wow! Cool!
Nice work, everybody.
Thank you, Mr. Goose! Q!
Hi, it's me, Pig. Let's do a letter dance. Say Q.
Q!
All right, say it again.
Q!
Groovy. Let's dance.
Letter Q, letter Q. What's that letter? Letter Q. Every letter makes a sound. What's this sound? Let's break it down.
Get down.
Qua, qua, qua. Quarter. Qua, qua, qua. Quiet. Qua, qua, qua. Quilt. Qua, qua, qua. Queen. That's the letter Q.
Uh-huh.
Oh, yeah. That's the letter Q.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, hey, hey.
Q!
Groovy. I love dancing together. Bye.
Letter Q. Letter Q. What's that letter?
It's story time.
Yay!
Gather round, everyone.
What book are we reading?
We're reading this one. It's called Zanelle Sees Numbers. Let's find out what happens. Let's begin. Zanelle Sees Numbers. Written by Laura Delange, illustrated by Henry Coetzee, designed by Arthur Atwell. Everyone tells Zanelle that numbers are all around her, but no matter how hard she tries, she can't see them. Zanelle asks Grandmother to help her see some numbers. Grandmother points to the jars on the shelf and counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. But Zanelle is unhappy. Those aren't numbers. Those are jars. Zanelle asks Mom to help her see some numbers. Mom points to the carrots in the garden and counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. But Zanelle is unhappy. Those aren't numbers. Those are carrots. Zanelle sees Linda counting the chickens to see if they have all come back home. 1, 2, 3, 4. But Zanelle is unhappy. Those aren't numbers, those are chickens. Zanelle sees Auntie counting the hours until dinner. 1, 2, 3, 4. But Zanelle is unhappy. Those aren't numbers. Those are hours. Zanelle can't see the numbers in the world. She goes to speak to her sister, who is 8 years old and knows everything. If you look at anything in the right way, you can see a number in it, her sister says. She gives Zanelle a pair of magic glasses and tells her to go look for numbers in the world. 1, 2, 3, 4. The end.
Thank you, Mr. Goose.
Thank you for reading with me. Kids, it's time for a sing-along with Mr. Frog.
Yay!
Remember to say hello when you see him.
Hello, kids!
Hello, Mr. Frog.
Let's sing a counting song about potatoes.
Potatoes?
Yes, potatoes. It goes like this. 1 potato, 2 potatoes, 3 potatoes, 4. 5 potatoes, 6 potatoes, 7 potatoes more. 1 potato, 2 potatoes, 3 potatoes, 4. 5 potatoes, 6 potatoes, 7 potatoes more. Are you ready to count potatoes with me?
Yeah!
Let's go!
Here we go.
1 potato, 2 potatoes, 3 potatoes, 4. 5 potatoes, 6 potatoes, 7 potatoes more.
Again.
1 potato, 2 potatoes, 3 potatoes, 4. 5 potatoes, 6 potatoes, 7 potatoes more.
Ooh, that was fun.
That was wonderful. Thank you for singing with me.
Thank you, Mr. Frog.
Goodbye.
Here's something we already did. Let's do it again.
Hi, Ms. Panda. What are you doing?
Hi, Monkey. I cut out all of these colored shapes, and now I'm sorting them.
Can I help?
I would love it if you helped. Thank you, Monkey. First, find all the blue circles and put them in a box.
Okay. There's one. There's another one. This is a circle.
That's brown. We only want blue circles.
Oh, right. I forgot. Here's a blue circle.
Thank you, Monkey. Now, let's gather all of the green hearts.
Okay. Here. Here. Here's one. And here.
Splendid!
Should I look for yellow diamonds now, Miss Panda?
That's a good idea.
Okay. Here. Here. And here.
Great! And what's left?
2 brown circles.
Okay, let's put both of them in their own box.
Okie dokie. We've sorted all the shapes.
Thank you so much, Monkey.
What are all of these shapes for?
Whatever we want. We can use them to make art projects.
Ooh, I could pretend these 2 brown circles are coconuts. Look!
You certainly could, Monkey. And you could use these green hearts to be tree leaves.
Which snake is green? There it is! Green snake. Which fan is green? There it is! Green fan. Which gift is green? There it is! Green gift. Which jewel is green? There it is! Green jewel. That's exactly right.
I see you. Hi. Whee! Whee! Oh. Goodbye.
And now it's time to say goodbye. Let's sing our goodbye song.
Goodbye, goodbye, it's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye, let's stop to say goodbye before we say hello again. We need to say goodbye.
Goodbye, friend.
Goodbye.
Bye! Goodbye!
Time to rest. Take a deep breath in. Let it out. Good. Listen.
Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went. Everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow.